Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a small tutorial on how to change your Windows 7 login background. Here's your default Windows 7 login background. This is where it's going to display the users' names and other information. So we're going to be changing that through registry editor and adding a couple folders in the System32. And we will not be using any third-party programs. So if you're not comfortable using registry editor, stop watching this video and change it through a third-party program. And make sure you find the correct one. If you are going to keep watching this video and you will continue doing the registry editor, I am not responsible for any damages that you do to your computer. You're doing this at your own risk. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is change a value data in the registry editor. It's going to be you're going to open several tabs, so be careful which ones you open and make sure they're the right ones. So let's get started. So we're going to click Start, Run, and we're going to type in regit, R-E-G, edit, E-D-I-T, and that will open up your registry editor. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the local machine tab. Then we're going to click the software tab. Then we're going to click the Microsoft tab. Then we're going to go scroll down until you see Windows tab right here. We're going to open that. And then you're going to look for current version. We're going to open that tab. And then we're going to look for authentication. Open that tab. Then we're going to open Login UI tab, which is right here. And then you're going to look for background. Some of you might have a registry that's already named OEM background. Some of you might not. I purposely deleted mine so I can show it for the people that do not have it and how we're going to create it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click, you're going to click New, and you're going to click the D word 32-bit value. And then we're going to type in OEM capitalized. Then we're going to capitalize B in background. And there we have it. And now we're back with the people that already have it on here. We're going to change the value from a 0 to a 1 right here. This is where we're going to be focusing on. So we're going to right click, we're going to click modify, and we're going to change it to a 1 and press OK. That's it. You can close your registry editor. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a couple folders in your System32 folder. So in order to get there, we're going to click Start, Computer, go to your local C drive. We're going to click Windows. We're going to scroll down until you see System32. We're going to scroll down in that folder until you see the folder name OOBE, O-O-B-E. Double click on that. Here is your default background image. We're not going to change anything over here. All we're going to do is add some stuff. So we're going to create a new folder named Info, I-N-F-O. Once you do that, double click inside of it, and then it's going to have no folders. You're going to create a new folder named Backgrounds. Make sure you have an S. You're going to double click that, and this is where you're going to store all your images or image that you want to change your background. This is currently my default background image. So when I log off, this is what I see. Or when I switch users. I have others in here. So when you download an image, most likely it's going to be random names like this. So let's say for video's sake, we're going to pretend this is the freshly downloaded image. First, there's a couple things you have to look for. First thing you have to look for when you make sure the image is going to work is it's a JPEG image. So we're going to right click on the picture and click Properties. We're going to look for the type of file, and this is where it's going to be named. If it's not JPEG, make sure it's a JPEG format. So next thing we have to look for is the size of the file. If it's under 200 kilobytes, it will work. I believe if it's over 200 kilobytes, it might not work. So if you have an image that's say 201 and it didn't work, try to find an image that's under 200. So 200 and below, it should work. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to change the name of the image. You have to change it to background, lowercase background, and capitalize D in default. Oops. So it's going to say background default. You're going to click OK, and there you have it. That's basically it. You can have like the way I have it set up. So it says background default 1, 2, 3. So all I have to do is just change the numbers and all that stuff. So you want, if you want the image to be your login, you want it to be background default. You don't want anything else. Just background default, and make sure you spelled it correctly. That's basically it. If you have any questions or concerns or suggestions, please let me know. Other than that, peace out.